Hi guys, today I am going to do it like every other day, the normal thing, like doing this. So, let's find what my background's gonna be today. Ooh, that one's beautiful. But I have been wanting to do that one for a while. That one looks pretty. Done. Why I do this is because there's too many choices. I want a purple. Ooh, that's beautiful. So today that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.